Okie dokie, guys. We got the tires on. We are going to put on a Freewheel that basically I had laying around. This is an Origin 8. I just had this one sitting in the garage. Just some extra stuff here. And then this is the tool, FR6. It's gonna sit in there just like that. It's gonna sit in there like that. Then we're gonna grab this and take it right off, guys. Okay. Drop it in there. Take your bolt. That way it doesn't spin off. Take this bad boy. Badass impact. One little click. Very simple. Take your bolt off. Take your FR6 off. Take your Freewheel off. Simple enough. New Freewheel. Make sure this part is facing up. That's where the tool goes. Make sure you do not cross thread. Make sure it's going on very simple, very easy, like that. Okay. If you're forcing it on, that's wrong. Take it off, retry it. It should go on real smooth, just like this. Okay, it's tight. We're snug. Put your bolt on there. Now, this does not need to be cranked down, okay? Just a little snug, because it'll get tight. It'll get tighter by itself with the chain and with you pedaling and all that. Just a little hit, that's it. Take your bolt off. Piece of cake. Okay. Grab your tire. Grab your bolt and washer. Now I'm gonna leave all this loose because I have a half-link chain on the way, a white chain. So I'm gonna leave this loose.